Hi everyone, welcome to Stunner Share. So in this video, what we are going to see is like there were a lot of questions from each and everyone, like how to select stocks for intraday and how to filter stocks for intraday. Like all these questions were like from each and everyone. Even for swing also people were asking. So I thought of making. I have already made a lot of videos. What you guys have to do is go to my channel Stunner Share in your YouTube, and what you need to do is like once you go into my channel, it looks like this, and here there will be a search button. In that you just click on intraday, just search for intraday. So when you search for intraday, there will be stocks which I have posted for intraday only. So here, how to select stocks for intraday strategy, charting intraday screener, how to trade stocks for intraday setup, entry, exit, how to analyze chart for intraday trading, how to pick stocks for intraday, how to analyze intraday charts. So there are lot of stocks like videos I have updated on like how to do trade or how to trade, like anything which related to intraday I have already uploaded in this channel. But still there were people asking me like how to trade on intraday and all those things. So for that question, if you are like very much interested and you are like very much keen to learn about intraday, like how to select intraday stocks, or you wanted to do intraday, what my request is like, I want you to first watch all these videos which I have uploaded in Stunner Share channel, and after that you have to stick to this. Okay, so for serious intraday players whosoever are watching this video, I would tell you that you have to go back to your schooling days. There will be a question, why you are now talking about schooling days? What you actually do in your school days? During your childhood school days, you will be like doing the homework once you are back from the once you are back from the school, and that means for the next day to go to school, you will be like doing your homework. The same way for trading intraday for tomorrow, you need to do homework today. Clear? So you need to do homework today. So that is what I am going to tell you. First of all, what you guys need to do is go to TradingView or go to Zerodha. Okay, go to NSE or go to NSE, and then in home page you will see all these things. Click on view all indices. So once you click on view all indices, just scroll this down, you will see sectoral indices. So these are the sectoral indices which you have. So what you can do is like during live market, you can go to NSE and see what are the sectors, how it is performing, or add all these indices list in this watch list. So in this watch list I have created something called indices, and I have entered all the indices whichever the sectoral indices whichever in NSE. So this is the indices list for the indices like NSE sectoral indices which I have added to watch list. Then click on change. Based on the click, it will come into ascending order and descending order. So what you can do is like, this is the list of Friday. So Friday metal has rallied nearly 1.63%. Okay, so what you can do is like, as it has rallied 1.63%, so we can track that sector, or we can track that stocks in that sector. So click on this. So as here we are on a weekly, just go to weekly chart. Why we are going to weekly chart? Just to check where it is at, like whether it is at resistance or at support. So now what I am doing is, now I just went to weekly chart, so I could see it is at a support zone. It gave a breakout, and now it is at a support zone. And now go to daily chart. In daily chart, you have to activate the moving average as well. So here also we could see that the index has come for a retest, but still it has not shown any sign of bullishness. Okay, in a weekly chart we are showing some sort of reversal setup and a bullishness is there, but in daily chart we are not showing some sort of bullishness. But what is one positive thing over here is it has taken support at 65 EMA. Okay, so as it has taken support at the 65 EMA, what you can now do is you need to wait and see how it is acting at this gap zone. Clear? You need to wait and see how it is acting at the gap zone. So like this, you need to do some prior homework before going to next day. Clear? You need to do prior homework before going to next day. So what you need to do is like, first of all, go to the sector and see which sector has performed. So CNX metal has performed good, which is around 1.63%. Just check the sectoral chart and see how the sector is looking. To me, the sector is looking like breakout and retest done. And in a daily chart, it has taken support at 65 MA. Clear? And now anyways we will not able to do a trade in the sector, so you can go to any stock specific action. So for example, if you take metal, it will be like Tata Steel, which will be coming under that. So let me check for Tata Steel. Okay, this is the Tata Steel chart, and if you see the Tata Steel chart, actually these are like two inside bar candles, gave a breakout but ultimately gave a failure as well, and now again it is looking like a support taken to go upside. But if you see in daily chart, you will be able to see where it is actually, whether it is at a support zone or resistance zone. For now it has not given any clear zone. It has closed below the 21 MA. It has closed below 21 moving average. So to go any further upside, we need a close about 21 SMA for going any upside. So either you can consider this stock for any trade or you can avoid this stock. Clear? So now I feel like I am not comfortable with this stock, so I will better avoid this stock. Now if you want to check any other stock in the same sector, you can go and check the same any other stock, or I will go to any other sector. Now pharma I will go. So pharma I will check in daily weekly chart. So pharma is also something which looks like a support has taken. It has come to the support for retest and looks like a support has been taken. Now I am moving to daily chart. In daily chart, what I could see is like it is trying to, like, it has already closed below all the moving averages, but for now it is looking like trying to take a support. So let me close the moving average and let me see whether any other pattern is here. Here is one pattern, and the same way here is also one pattern. So if I am not wrong, I have clearly shown about this pattern in Nifty as well. So I am expecting this, what is this pharma sector to move further upside from here. So any stock specific action, I would say let me go to Sun Pharma. So I will go to Sun Pharma and check how it is forming. In a daily chart, looks like a flag and pull pattern is seen. Okay, so a flag and pole pattern is seen in daily chart in Sun Pharma, and whenever the flag is forming, the volumes have reduced drastically. So my expectation will be like, if any breakout, my expectation will be like, if any breakout is seen, then it can go further upside. And apart from that, if you want to go for any other stock, we can go for Reddy's Labs as well. Why is like, the pharma sector, if you see, it has fallen down and taken a support, but Sun Pharma is like did not fall much. But in the case of Reddy has fallen good, so I am considering Reddy. So let me remove all drawings from fresh. Let me draw. So what I could see here is like it is also at the support zone. So here it has taken support 1, support 2 and support 3. So now I feel like it can take some support over here, and also I could see it is in a trend line support as well. Clear? So if this is a good sign, so tomorrow Reddy can also perform above this. So this is the weekly chart. So tomorrow or this week Reddy can also perform. So this is how you need to work. This is how you need to do some homework on a prayer day. First of all, check how is the long term view of the stock, and check on a daily time frame whether it is taking support or whether it is taking resistance or given breakout or given breakdown or resting at any of the moving averages. Check all these, and then like you have to do all this in the sector, and then you have to come into any stock specific action with respect to that sector and do some analysis on that as well. So assume if in case of any other work or in case of any other personal work, you are not able to do any sort of homework on a prayer day, like any sort of homework before the day of the market, what you can do is like between 9:15 to 9:45 you can check again, same way, go to the sectors list and see which sector is performing good. Based on that, try to select a stock. Same way, try to select a stock. And what I would suggest you guys is like use the Camarala pivots and CPR and see how the stock is performing. So based on that, you will be able to get an idea. Otherwise, if you are not able to check these things, what I would tell you is like go to hot list. Okay, in trading view itself, go to hot list. In hot list, you will see all these things like volume gainers, percentage change gainers, percentage change losers. So this is in BSE. So if you want, you can go and change it to NSE also. Go to India. In India, it is in NSE. You can change as volume gainers. This will show all the NSE list stocks which are like having good volume. Clear? And then in percentage change gainers also, you can go and you can change it to like okay, percentage gap gainers or gap gainers or percentage gainers. You can change this to percentage gainers. So you can check these stocks, okay, how these stocks are performing. Like between 9:15 to 9:45 itself, you will be able to see a lot of stocks coming in. You just need to click on this and check how that stock has performed. Assume let's go to 15 minutes itself. So if you see 9:15 to, sorry, this is 9, oh, okay, wait, I'm not sure. 15-minute chart and the date is 27, right? So 27 only we did a trade, right? So 27, 9:15 is over here. So this is the 9:15 chart. So at around like here only it would have given some good percentage change gainers. Till then it would be like very low only. Let's see any other stock which is shown. See this from 9:15 itself it started moving upside, and the previous day high also got broken with a good volume, and after that it blasted like nearly 20% it has moved. So these, at least you can use the same, the indices, check the percentage gain as high, whichever is there you can choose, or if the market is falling, choose any stock which is like having any sector which is like change is very like fallen, whether the any sector has fallen very good. Based on that you can select a sector, and based on that sector you have to select the respective stock from it. Otherwise, if you don't want to go to it, go to hot list. You will get NSE or BSE volume gainers, percentage change gainers, percentage change losers. Based on that you can select a stock. Clear? So this is how you can, this is one of the method to filter out a stock for intraday trades. For this, for very sure that you have to do some prior homework. If you are able to do some homework only, you will be able to easily take some trades. Clear? So this is what I wanted to share in this video. I hope many people knows this content. If you guys know this content, please let me know that we have already know this content. And if you guys wanted to share any secrets to us, please do share that secrets, so that will be helpful to us. And if you feel this is good, please give a like. And if you want this knowledge to be shared to others, kindly do a share. And any feedback, please comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.